and the other adjacent 41 other structures inside the compound? Will they help us?
Excuse me, Mr. Chair, ginawa na nila yan nung June 10. Kahit wala silang search warrant, kasi tumawag na po si PRRD para lang talaga mapacify yung event doon, we allowed them. We allowed them to go to Bible school, lahat yun.
Mr. Chair.
Then, dyan sa Kingdom, sa hangar, pati sa school. Sa school mismo, graduation pa naman yun. Inalaw, may mga body cam sila, si IDG, dapat ilan lang, ang dami po nila. Sa hangar pati. So, lahat po yon ng lugar, inalaw po namin sila. Kahit wala po silang search warrant, pinayagan po namin sila kasi ayaw rin talaga namin ng gulo.
Okay.
At saka, libre naman po silang
Thank you.
pumasok.
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
The June 10, may I ask may we ask the resource person how many policemen they allowed in on June 10 and how long did they allow for the search? Because you know, Mr. Chair, this is a hide and seek on a 30-hectare property with one of the biggest structures, a 5-hectare dome, with 4 elevator shafts, underground tunnels, underground parking, movable
So, what's your problem?
movable roof with underground passageway going to the hangar, with a hangar that can accommodate 4 helicopters, with can accommodate also 2 planes, with a private taxiway to the Davao City International Airport. That's how big is it? It is, Mr. Chair. And I do believe if they allow us, if they will only allow us, I'll bring in maybe 1,500 people to stay there for a month to search for Mr. Kibuloy there if he doesn't want to surrender, because
Wow.
it could be a challenge. We can reverse it, Mr. Chair. We ask 1 policeman or 5 policemen to hide in there, and they look for that policeman in how many hours? How many people do they need in a 300,000 square meter property, and including that dome that is 50,000 square meter floor area, that is 200 meters wide, sir. So it can seat 77,000 people with its own power, own water system, own waste disposal management system, and the other, and not mentioning the school, which is a very, very big school, and the other buildings.
Yung July 10 na
June 10 po.
June 10 na ginawa ninyo, na-search ba niyo lahat?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. It was a very limited thing, and you know, Mr. Chair, if we can go to YouTube, if you will allow us, search secret doors in YouTube, and we really cannot dismiss that possibility that there will be things like that inside that compound. Therefore, we really need to search it thoroughly, and it cannot be done in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. I don't think that we can do it with 1,000 people, sir.
Wow.
We really need more time, and to save us all from all these heartaches, I really would like to suggest again for Mr. Kibuloy to just submit himself to the jurisdiction of the court together with his co-accused, because his other co-accused had already done so last March 2024. They have already submitted themselves to the court. And now Pauline Canada is also in the jurisdiction of the court now. So save us from the heartache. Let us all just respect the process that is enshrined in our Constitution, the legal process that says a judge ordering their arrest. So therefore, with Attorney Torion defending him and others, I believe that he will get the justice that he deserves. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, General Torre.
My succinct remark, Your Honor, to the answer rather to the good advertisement campaign being launched by General Torre insofar as the Kingdom is concerned, Your Honor, can be explained by the fact that he was not there on June 10 of 2024. He was not yet the regional director. It was still Regional Director Martinez during that time. So he was not personally present when the policemen, more than 200, I think, Your Honor, were in the compound and they were scattered everywhere. and there was a leading search persons, and when I arrived, Your Honor, it was already in the hangar. Even the rooms in the hangar were even visited during that time. Your Honor.
So you can honestly say that
They searched
it
everywhere.
was thoroughly searched
Yes, Your Honor.
on that very day.
Yes, Your Honor. Even the nooks and crannies of JMC, they also visited.
Obvious. Kung ako naman ang polis, nakapasok na ako doon, talagang
Oo, lahat
hahanapin ko talaga
Pati nga
doon.
CR, Your Honor, CR ng doon sa hangar. Pinuntahan, pinakita ko sa ito yung CR ng hangar.
So nandun ka?
Nandun ako, Your Honor.
Oo.
O siya, wala. Mm-mm.
So, Your Honor, dagdag lang ako. Pati
Yes.
cabinet, nagkasya kaya si Pastor sa drawer, cabinets, closet, sa sofa, sa mga boxes, pula lang sa kaldero, kasi hanggang kusina. Lahat, pati siya, inano na nila. Pati yung sa simbahan namin,
Pero
angkat na nila ang carpet.
importante,
Oo.
na-open ang drawer. Wala sila gipunit sa drawer, ha? Wala
Wala,
gilatan.
nalay nabilin sila sa CR.
Ha?
Naglaglag sila og bala.
Sa CR?
Opo.
Isa ra
Bala?
kabuok. Isa ra kabuok.
Isa ra kabuok?
Siguro to.
Siguro nahulog sa sige.
Basta nahulog ito. Accidental, nahulog.
O,
siguro.
ganun sila mag-search.
Wala siguro tayo intention nga magtanim bala. Kasi kung ako magtanim bala, Pastor Kibulo yan, isa ka box akong ibutang diya para
Lahat.
kung mo na magtanim, pero nalaglag lang siguro yun.
Opo, sir. So, yun lang po para malaman ni General Torre na, yun nga, kusina, drawer, closet, na hindi naman kasya yung tao, yun nga, pati siguro kaldero, wala na lahat na. Tapos yun po ang pumasok. Isang compound lang yan, General. Isang compound pa lang yan. Doon lang yan sa Prayer Mountain na kung saan po kayo nakapunta. Kaya, sige, search. May chopper pa, may drone pa. Yun. Ganun kadami. Isang compound pa lang yan. Sa sa Prayer Mountain lang yan, sir. Ganun. Tapos nagdadala naman uli sila ng 1,500 men. Ano na naman, gera? Ano bang lulusubin nila? So, hindi pa sila tumitigil hanggang ngayon. Hanggang kaninang madaling araw. Lumusob na naman sila. Madaling araw, alas 2 ng madaling araw. Kanina lang.
So I think lahat na nakapagsalita, and we will be having another hearing. The date is being determined by the Secretariat yet. But until then, that hearing, I hope both parties will exert effort to normalize the situation in that area para sa mga kabataan na nag-aral doon at sa mga tao na hindi ma-intimidate. Yun lang ang pakiusap ko sa inyo. Sana mag-normalize dahil kawawa yung mga bata na masacrifice yung pag-aaral dahil nga sa pakiramdam nila ay masyado ng parang garrison na daw yung kanilang paligid. So siguro, General Torre, you can make some adjustments. You can make some adjustments para hindi ba sakripisyo yung mga pag-aaral ng mga bata. So far. Anyway.
And Mr. Chairman,
yes,
to add
go
more,
ahead.
to add more.
Yeah.
Because there are dormitories facing the airport.
Okay.
Yung mga occupants doon sa dormitories, mga babae yun, they are taking pictures of every lady from the airport. They're taking pictures of it, na doon na sa bintana, ganon. Anong, kaya sabi ko, ganito na ba talaga itong
Ako on my part, pag ako ganun, that's not only invasion of privacy,
Yes.
pero mas kanyan, intimidating pa rin sa akin, mas intimidating sa
Sobra pa
akin
sa
yan.
intimidating. May mga anak din kayo. May mga ano kayo. Yung nga sabi ko, please do, i-preserve niyo yung public safety. We are part of the public.
So, the next hearing is scheduled on August 13.
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman, di pwede diretso hanggang bukas?
May hearing kami bukas. May hearing pa kami bukas. Mayroong ibang resolution ay hearing namin bukas. Baka pwedeng August 13. Okay lang sa inyo? Pasensya na kayo. Alam kong gastos Magastos yan. Mamasahe pa kayo papunta dito. August 13, kaya nyo? May hearing kasi kami bukas.
Your Honor,
Yes.
can we have it
Ito na.
on August 14 instead, Your Honor?
May commission appointment kami yan sa Wednesday. Wednesday kasi yan. Monday, Tuesday. Kung pwede, Monday, Tuesday yan.
August 19 or 20? Oh, okay lang. We can make ourselves available either on August 19 or 20, Your Honor.
Unahan natin. Ang 20. So 20, wala na. Tapos na. 19 ay Sabado. Ay, Linggo, di ba? 19.